Okay, so I have my Android TV set up. The device I'm using is this Chromecast device. It's Google TV. We're gonna go ahead and go over into the app section. I'm gonna go down into search. Inside search, I'm gonna type in Jellyfin. Okay, there we go. So you can see that Jellyfin is listed in here as an app. We're gonna select it for Android TV. And then we have the option to install it. Let that install. Okay, so the installation's done. We're gonna go ahead and click on open. Now in the list, it's gonna discover automatically your server. So I have a server over here. It's called Hunter PC. Now, if it doesn't show up, that might be because you're not on the same network. You wanna make sure that you're on the same Wi-Fi or LAN network. If it's not discoverable and it doesn't show up, what you can do is in here, you can enter in the server IP address. Once you have that entered, you can go ahead and select it. So if you don't have any accounts, you can go ahead and add one. And this is where you can sign in from a web browser or use a password. So since we already set up a password, we're gonna go ahead and enter that in here. We're gonna put in our username and password that we had created with the account. Okay, and once you've entered in your username and password, it'll sign you in and you'll be able to see all the movies and shows that you have already downloaded onto your server. And it'll also start displaying some content like episodes, and down over here, you'll have movies. And that's how you do it. That's how you install Jellyfin on an Android TV.